good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to today's tutorial. I took my vertical measurements, which is my waistline, my hip line, my crotch depth, my full length, and 2 inches for my hemming allowance. Now I'll be squaring my pattern using my hip measurement divided by 4. I would not be adding any dart. This line right here is our center front. I'm going in from the center front line by 0.5 inches, then I'll connect it to my hip line. Now that red line there is our new center front, and that's where I'll be taking my waist measurement divided by 4. Then I'll connect it to our hip point. Now our crotch extension is hips divided by 4 equals 8.75. So 8.75 divided by 4 minus 0.25 would give you your crotch extension. I got 1.93, but I'll approximate it to 2 inches. I'll extend it by 2 inches on my crotch line. Then come out by 1 inch on a 90 degree. Go ahead and make a curve. This will give you a perfect curve. I'll be taking my thigh measurement, which is 3 inches from my crotch depth line. My thigh measurement is 21 inches. I do not want anything tight. If you want something fitted, you can go ahead and take your 21 inches divided by 2 on your thigh measurement. But I'll be taking my 21 inches divided by 2 on my full length, then extending it to my seam allowance. Before I cut vertically, I always like to fold in my hemming allowance, then I'll go ahead and cut. This next step totally depends on you. If you don't want any band on your waist, then you go ahead and cut this out and then use a bias tape to finish the rough edges. But I'll be adding band to mine. So I'll be taking out 2 inches as my band. We will be coming back to the front pattern after we are done with the back. For the back, I traced out my front pattern onto another pattern paper. I came out by 0.5 inch from the sideline. The red line will be where we'll take all our other measurements from. That line right there is temporary. So I'm making my hip line visible. Then on my crotch line, I'm going to go down by 0.5 inches. That will be our new crotch depth. From our front pattern, I traced out where our crotch extension starts from. So I'm going to pull that on our new crotch depth. So now this is where our crotch extension is going to start from for the back. On my waistline for my center back, I'm going to go up by 1 inch and then slant it. So any measurement I'm taking now would start from the red line. I'm taking my waist measurement divided by 4 and then my hip measurement divided by 4. Then I'll connect it from my waist to my hip with a line. I'm taking my back crotch extension from that point, which is 4.125. Then I'll connect it with my curve. Then I'll come out by 0.5 inch on my hemming allowance and connect. Our back pattern is ready. Go ahead and cut it out, and then we can go back to the front. As we all know, our waist is not straight, so we have to curve it a little bit. So I'm going down on my center front by 0.5 inch and then connect it to the side. For the pockets, go in by 2.5 or 3 inches and go down by 6 inches. And then you connect from the slanted 2.5 inches. I'll go in by 3 inches, then connect it all the way to the crotch line. Give it a little bit of curve, and that's it. I'm going to trace it out to a new pattern so we can get our pocket bag and our pockets. Hey beautiful people, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And remember, stay beautiful.